Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to measure and evaluate flatness and parallelism in Zeiss Calypso. Let's create a blank flatness characteristic. Insert the plane whose flatness you want to evaluate into the feature field, and set the tolerance value. We now have our flatness characteristic ready for the report. Next, let's open the form graphics to visually check the feature. Here, you can visually see the form deviations and how the probed points deviate from the ideal plane. You can adjust the graphic magnification to make the form plot more distinct. The quality and accuracy of the measurement are influenced by the probing strategy. Whether we measure single points or scan circles or polylines, equally important are the filter and pre-filter settings. For a deeper dive into this, I highly recommend checking out the Zeiss cookbook again. Measuring parallelism works similarly. However, the difference is that we are evaluating between two features. So in the characteristic, we select our measured plane and assign the second plane as our datum. Once again, we can look at the graphical evaluation of parallelism relative to the datum plane. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll look at how to display magnified form graphics directly on the 3D CAD model for better visualization. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.